guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Messenger People option not showing problem. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Messenger app here, there are going to be a few things that you can try to probably solve this issue. So first things first is you want to go ahead and clear your cache. So how do you do that exactly? So you want to locate your Messenger app here, press and hold on it, and you want to go ahead and click on the eye icon. Now in here, you want to go ahead and click on the clear data option that you see at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, click on clear cache and click on OK. Now from here on, we should be good, but there's another thing that you need to make sure here. So in this case, you want to go open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go ahead and search for Messenger. So let's go ahead and search for Messenger here. And from here, if you do see an option that says update on Messenger, you want to go ahead and click on that update, wait for it to install, and once the installation is complete, restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.